Here are the features of the Soundcore Flare speaker. That's a Bluetooth speaker. It's got 360 sound, so everyone around the speaker can hear it. Beat-driven light show, up to 12 hours playtime on the battery. Customize music and lights with an app, apparently. You can do the bass up mode, give you fuller bass sound. It's fully waterproof, and it's a has wireless stereo pairing. So you can use this along with another speaker to get the stereo effect with both speakers. That's pretty cool. And this is the Anker soundcore. I've never heard of that brand before. I've never bought any of their products. But from what I can tell you, when I did a test of it in the store, I bought this at Walmart, it was very comparable to the higher priced brands of speakers. I thought there was some trick to getting the box open, but actually it's a box within a box. And I just turned it upside down and gave it a good shake. And it slides out of the outer cover here, just like that. There you go. Now, to get into this box, it's got a little tab. It looks like, yes, that opens that way. This has a little, it's probably got instructions in here, I believe. Let me see. Oh, it's got the USB cord for charging it, hooking it up, and the instructions here. User manual right there. Let's see how long this is. Doesn't look to be too long here. Just the right length, it looks like. Probably about a foot long. Yep, that's a foot long USB cable right there. Now, the speaker right here just slides on out of the box. It's covered, which is good. It kind of fits in there pretty tight, which is actually good because you don't want a speaker that's been rattling around in the package. Let me try to get this thing out here. Okay, so as I was saying, the plastic is good. Keep moisture out of the components. The speaker here, it's got a nice kind of a soft feel on the outside of it here. Here's the little ring that lights up when you play the music. And on top, it looks like you've got your volume setting. You can see the plus symbol, the minus. That'll turn it down, up and down. Your power button, it looks like. And then a symbol here for the bass. Yeah, that's your bass. To add bass, you'll tap that. This looks like is a little control button here. I'm going to find out more. It looks like maybe a play and pause for your music or whatever you're listening to. But we'll find out here soon. On the back, oh, there's your power button. Right there it says Anker. And this is all that rubber coated feel. This is a rubber coated bottom base. The light is a smooth, hard plastic. And it's rubber coated on the top as well. So standing it up on the tabletop here, it won't slide around. And you can see the size of it compared to my hand. You know, it's a good size for setting on your computer desk or on your nightstand or on a kitchen table or countertop. So we're going to try this out. And another cool thing about this is it is waterproof. Check that out. Nice. Okay, I read a little bit about the control buttons on top here. We do have volume up and down there, and then there's one button there that on here it says it's a multi-function button, and then the light effects button, which is in the one on the edge over there. One controls the bass, one is the lights. This is the lights. I think I thought that was a power button earlier. Lights, bass, volume, and multifunction. Now on the side, you can pull this open, and it exposes your ports on the side to plug it in. Got your USB and your for earbuds, I believe. Yeah, 3.5 millimeter audio input port right there, and then yes, your micro USB port right there. It's got a nice little attached rubber cover for it that fits on there nice and tight. Gonna power it up here. So all the lights come on. Now I'm going to hook it up to my Bluetooth to my phone. Alright, I've opened my Bluetooth connections. There it is right there, Soundcore Flare. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching the 6 String Steve channel.